Chapter 2 The Golden Apple. So Paris lives on Mount Ida. When he is young, he helps with Agelaus's sheep. He is a wonderful shepherd boy.
And he's very honest too.
Agelaus says. Soon, everybody in the country knows about Agelaus's son, the honest young shepherd. In Greece at the same time, King Peleus of Thessaly is happy. He asks the gods and goddesses from Mount Olympus to his house. Why? Because he is marrying Thetis, a young sea goddess. Peleus asks all the gods to the wedding, but he forgets one of the goddesses. Her name is Eris. She is the goddess of disagreements. After the wedding, Peleus, Thetis, and the gods and goddesses sit at a long table.
I'm hungry. Let's eat.
Zeus, the king of Olympus, says to everyone there. Just then, Eris arrives.
Goddesses, here's something for you,
she cries. She quickly puts a golden apple on the table. Then, with an angry laugh, she leaves. Hera, the queen of Olympus, takes the apple in her hand.
I can read something on it,
she says.
What?
Aphrodite, the love goddess, asks. Hera looks at it carefully.
For the most beautiful,
she reads.
But who's that?
Athena, Zeus's daughter, asks.
Let's ask Zeus.
Hera laughs. She quickly gives the golden apple to him.
I can't say.
Zeus answers.
We need help from an honest man, I think.
Listen,
Hermes cries.
there's a very honest young shepherd on Mount Ida. Let's ask him.
All right.
Zeus says. He puts the golden apple in the messenger god's hand. At once, Hermes takes the goddesses Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite to Mount Ida.